I think about it backwards. I've got 45 minutes to do a haircut. That means I have 45 minutes from the moment I pick them up in the waiting area to when I walk them out so they can check out. So if I work backwards, I want to allot about 5 minutes for a photo shoot. So now I've got 40 minutes. But I know on the front end, it's going to take a couple of minutes to get them back to my station. It's going to take 2 more minutes to get their coat hung up. I'm going to do a 5-minute consultation. I'm going to allot 7 minutes for shampoo. And once you start taking these things away, I essentially have a 20-minute haircut and blow dry.
If you've got a guest that wants to get a little bit chatty, it's like, can we table that conversation until we get this part handled? Which I think is just a gracious and a very ingenious way of controlling in a very graceful way the conversation.
This is my business, and so I want to get chatty. I want to hear about their lives, and I want to hear their deep secrets. But if I need to interrupt them to say, "Hey, I've got to mix your color. I want you to get into the story, but we're going to do it while I'm applying," that's okay. And I feel like because I've delivered it in a way where I've said, "Hey, it's really exciting to me, but we're here for your hair. I want to talk about your hair first, and then we're going to come back to this." They understand and they feel taken care of.
You say something I think really unique to the guest about you just don't hand pictures over. I mean, there's even a big deal in that.
One of the things that breaks my little heart is when immediately after the photo shoot, I see them airdropping the pictures. Because to me, if that happens, I haven't had time to go through the pictures, get rid of the ones where their eyes are weird and closed. I haven't had the chance to pick my favorite 5, and I haven't had the chance to look at them a little bit for life, because I know on our black backdrop that we roll down, there's a big crease along the back that messes with the pictures. So I want maybe 12 hours to go home, to go through the pictures, to select my favorites. And I don't make them look like something they're not, but I definitely like to get rid of that crease, and I definitely like to kind of minimize that orange cast that pops up. I get rid of the zit on that crease. Maybe I like to make sure that the color in the picture is representative of how it looked in real life. This is the way I promote my business. This is my business card. So I want it to be the best it can possibly be. At this point, the guests generally know they're getting their taken, so they can come ready and they can know the deal. But I look at it as this is the last 5 minutes of my service every time. So I've got 45 minutes to do a haircut, but realistically, I have 40 to do a haircut, and I have 5 minutes to do a photo shoot. And then I can go kind of into what that photo shoot is like. But for me, I want to just take the best possible pictures I can take. I take a million pictures. I use the burst picture a lot on my phone. Once the light is on and once I just go. I get in there and I move their heads around. We have a ring light set up in the salon, and it's funny because every once in a while people will walk past and I have the ring light around my neck like this, and I'm under the, kind of moving in all directions, because I'm just this is it. This is how I get the best version of my work.